Hooray! Max the monster truck and his son, Max Jr, are on their way to Gecko's Garage. Here they come! Hello, monster trucks. Great to see you. It's a big day today for little Max Jr. He's old enough now to learn to do stunts with his dad at the stunt track. But first, the mechanicals need to fit his suspension. That's an exciting time for any monster truck. Come on inside, Max Jr. Suspension works using springs that act like cushions for trucks. Up into the air. Let's take off your wheels and see how this new suspension feels. Once the mechs have fitted these springs, you'll be able to do so many new things. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wheels back on, then lowered to the floor. Fantastic! Well done, mechanicals. Come on, everyone. Let's head over to the stadium and see what Max Jr.'s new suspension can do. Fantastic stunts! Max Jr., your new suspension works brilliantly. Your dad looks so proud of you. And thank you for joining us at Gecko's Garage today. We'll see you again soon. Bye!